supposed to get?
Crazy seagull action happening out here.
Whoa.
Whoa.
Oh my. Oh my.
Whoa! They coming in close, man. Bomb diving us. Whoa! Hey!
Oh my God.
Whoa!
Are you scared, Daddy?
Yeah, I'm scared they get too close. It's gonna peck
Oh
my
my-
brains out.
Oh!
Look at this. This is an invasion.
Oh my.
This is an infestation. Whoa! We need to call the wildlife department at Iron City Fest. This is insane. This is I can't do this.
What is this promotion?
No, it's not a promotion. I mean, I ain't gonna lie, it might be now, but that wasn't my intention.
Oh
Whoa, whoa! Holy
Whoa.
mess! Why, boy? Now back up.
At least he's not pecking us.
Jeez,
Whoa.
dude, this is crazy.
I know. Look that one. It's coming in
Ah!
Oh my God.
Yeah, I wouldn't be doing the work on this one. Chris,
Ah.
I got a job for you.
Ah. Daddy.
Whoa, whoa, whoa!
Whoa.
All right, so we're gonna need some bird net. We're gonna need some bird spikes.
No, we're not doing this. They're adorable.
Hey! It ain't gonna kill them. It's just gonna keep them. Lily, we need to go inside. Oh my gosh! This is too much.
Oh my.
This is seriously too much. If one of them lands on me, I swear I'm gonna freak out.
I'm excited.
It's a seagull. Oh!
Whoa.
Whoa, look
Oh
at that one. The
my.
wind got him.
Aren't they beautiful fires?
They're fast,
And they're
aren't they?
flying in the rain,
Like,
Daddy.
they're crazy fast.
Daddy,
for
they're
them. I
even
never realized how
flying in the
fast
rain.
seagulls are.
They're flying in the rain too.
Fastest bird in the world, peregrine falcon. It can teardrop dive
Wait,
from
this
the
is a
sky and
peregrine
reach up to
flying?
200
This
miles
is a
per hour.
peregrine falcon?
No, these are seagulls, buddy. I'm just giving bird facts.
Oh my.
Ooh, largest bird of prey is going to be your American eagle. Whoa!
Oh.
Birds of prey have a very keen sense of sight. Look at this
He's
guy.
circling
Hold up.
It was circling
Yeah, I
around.
know. Look at him coming in like.
Whoa.
Wait, when they hit that stride right here, there must be a wind they're catching, and they're just like they were just like flat wings out like an
Yeah,
eagle.
look, they're circling around the beach.
Oh, here we go, bomb diver. That's what I'm talking about.
Oh my.
There he goes. I think they're
Oh my
moving on.
gosh.
Oh,
Isn't this cool?
All right, what's he gonna do?
I just saw one flying to the city. I just saw one flying to the city.
To the city. Somewhere down there, somewhere.
Yeah. Oh, it's swooping in, swooping in.
Look, they're all down there. You can probably go feed them if you want to on the way down.
Look at that one.
Where?
Look, on the sky.
Where? Oh, wow, up there.
Yeah. Oh, that one's the red nice and downwards. Oh,
They're
look at all
entertaining
them down
birds, man.
there.
They're always goofy. Seagulls, man.
You know, TV shows say that they're the thieves of the sea.
The thieves of the sea, yeah,
Because they
that
always
makes
steal
sense.
Your feet.
Thieves of the sea, yeah. They be out here scavenging,
Yeah.
looking for trying to hit a lick, trying to get a come up.
Someone lost their sandals.
They gonna steal it. I can't believe people out in this water. We've seen 3 sharks today already. I saw 2 this morning before you got up. All right, I think the party's over. They've settled down now. That was fun.